Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. Friends, as you are aware, TCS NQT 2025 on campus is announced, and again after 1.5 months or 2 months, TCS NQT 2025 off campus will be also conducted. So for on campus, you have almost 25 days, right? So this month end or October starting week, you should be having the examination. So it is very, very important for you to understand the exam pattern. And the most important thing here is to understand 2024 exam analysis. If you want to crack any exam, always keep in mind you need to follow the pattern of the exam which happened recently. You need to solve the questions of the exam which happened recently, right? Which topic, how many questions will be there, right? Either it is aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability. Many of the students had struggled in coding because TCS had not given, right, the inputs. So it is very, very important for you to understand how to take inputs in the examination. So all those things we are going to do it for you. And one more thing which I wanted to tell you before I start with the video, friends, in TCS NQT 2024 alone, we have given 5,000 plus selections, right? Yes, you heard it correctly. And we did a celebration also in Bangalore location. So you can see all these students. So selected in digital, right? Many are selected in prime, many are selected in ninja. So more than 5,000 plus results alone we have given in TCS NQT 2024. And I wanted you to be a part of selection for TCS NQT 2025, right? So we have definitely felicitated them with the awards and the certificate which you can see here. Now the first thing is, sir, what is the pattern? So pattern as of now remains same. There is no change between 2024 exam pattern, right, and 2025 exam pattern, right? So this remains same. Okay. I will also tell you the cutoff. So what was the cutoff in TCS NQT 2024? So we are going to discuss each and everything. This video will give you the complete idea of your TCS NQT 2025 preparation. Okay. So friends, basically you will be having part A, foundation section, and then you will be having part B, advanced section. Now, so if you do only part A, then you will be eligible for TCS Ninja, which offers you a package of 3.36 lakhs per annum. I'm talking about the graduate, right? For postgraduate, the package will be little different. And part B, if you are doing, there are two advanced coding questions are there. So if you do one coding question, then you will be called for digital interview. And if you do both the coding question correctly, then you will be called for TCS Prime interview. Now, friends, what happens if you are called for digital interview or Prime interview? If you do not perform well in the interview, then you might get Ninja. There is also a probability that you will be rejected because many candidates in 2024, they were called for the Prime interview, they did not perform well, and they were rejected. They did not even get Ninja. All those things we will discuss. Now, so part A, foundation section, there is no coding. Numerical ability will be there, 20 question. Verbal ability, 25 question. And reasoning ability, 20 question. Okay. Numerical ability will be moderate to difficult. It will not be easy. Okay. So the questions will be time taking in the examination. So don't think it is going to be easy. Reasoning ability, right? So friends, reasoning ability, it will be easy to moderate, right? So here you can see it will be easy to moderate, right? Okay. And then verbal ability, you will be having easy to moderate. And coding, there will be two coding questions will be there. So one will be easy and the second questions will be difficult, right? First question will be easy and the second question will be difficult. So overall, if you'll talk about TCS NQT examination, right, so it will be moderate. Okay. It will be moderate, it will not be easy, and it will not be very difficult, but it will be of moderate level. The questions will be of very good level. From tomorrow we will also start solving questions of TCS NQT, right? First we will start with what was asked in 2024, and then similar kind of pattern. Okay, fine. And then friends, part A. So part A and part B is independent. So independent in the sense, it's not like if you don't clear part A, you will not be able to write part B. No. So part A also you will be able to write, and part B also you will be able to write, and then combinedly you will be getting the result. In part B, you will be having advanced level of aptitude and reasoning, and advanced coding. There will be 2 questions will be there, right? So this will be the complete pattern of TCS NQT. For numerical ability, 20 question, they are giving you 25 minutes. Almost you can say 1 minute for one question. But in the exam, you will be needing around 2 minutes for one question, right? Okay, so that's the reason the cutoff will be low, right? So that's the reason the cutoff will be low. And verbal ability, it will be easy to moderate, 25 question, 25 minutes. Reasoning ability, 20 question, 25 minutes. Advanced aptitude and reasoning, 14 question, 25 minutes. And advanced coding, 2 questions for 90 minutes. You will be getting it. Okay, so in 2024, sir, what was the cutoff? Can you please tell us? I will tell you. Numerical ability was very, you can say tough. Okay, see, actually, if you prepare well, you won't find it is very tough. You will find it of moderate level. So if the student has done 6 question also, they were selected for the interview. So I could say, so numerical ability, it was 6 to 10 question. 10 question was the maximum. So I had talked to many of the students, right? And only few of them were able to do 11, 12 question. Otherwise, like you could say 80 to 90% of the students were able to do, right? 6 question, almost 6 to 7 questions they were able to do. Verbal ability, they said like, sir, I have done from 15 to 20 question. Okay. And reasoning ability, they said, sir, I have done 10 to 15 question. Even though reasoning ability was easy to moderate, but it was time taking. Sitting arrangement questions were more. We will talk like which topic, how many questions were there, right? Okay. Advanced aptitude, so again here 5 to 6 questions they had done. That was more than sufficient. And coding question was a deciding factor. 1 coding questions you will be called for digital, and 2 coding questions you will be called for prime interview. Digital will give you a package of 7 LPA, and prime will give you a package of 9 lakhs per annum, right? Okay, so this is what you will be getting it. Okay, then so now you understood numerical ability, reasoning ability, verbal ability, coding. Numerical ability, you have to put more focus on that. Now the question comes, sir, how to prepare? So first I will talk about that, then I will go ahead. So friends, we have launched TCS NQT crash course, right? So and updated pattern plus live classes. Lot of live classes we are doing on the daily basis, and if you'll see the content, you will be surprised. Friends, already we have, here if you'll see, so already we have put TCS NQT 2024 asked questions. So if you go inside, right, so TCS NQT coding questions already, so whatever questions was asked, so we have put in C++, and now we have also started putting in Java, right? So we are solving in both C++ and Java. And plus one more interesting things if you'll see here. So friends, we are also providing you the list of the questions which was asked. So TCS NQT 2024 coding questions, right? So coding questions and solutions in both Java and C++. TCS NQT 2025 top 50 coding question. By mistake, I have written 25. So already 50 questions, which are very important and similar type. So lot of practice we are going to do. TCS NQT aptitude and reasoning question. So already we have started putting 3 videos as of now are placed, and daily, right? So 47 minutes, right? 29 minutes. So daily we are, increasing the quantity. TCS NQT verbal ability also we have started already putting here, right? Okay. So this all those things we have started doing it. Next thing, friends, what I wanted to tell you is, okay, so if you'll see TCS NQT 2024 exam analysis, right? So no section switching, only question switching, right? So in sections you cannot switch. That means if you are in aptitude, right, so you can switch between the question, right? If you're in first question, then 10th question, then 5th question, so you can switch between the questions, but you will not be able to switch between the particular sections, right? So you cannot switch between aptitude and reasoning. So whenever you want, you can go to aptitude. Whenever you want, you can go to reasoning. Whenever you want, you can go to English. Okay, so that you will not be able to do it. Okay, there was no negative marking. Okay, so there was no negative marking. I think some problem is happening with my pen tablet. Okay, fine. So there was no negative marking basically, and then any number of rough paper you can take. Okay, And then on-screen calculator was there, right? So on-screen calculator was also there. So let me remove this. Okay, so you will be getting on-screen calculator. Any number of rough paper you can get it, because your exam is going to happen in the TCS ION center. There was no negative marking. Okay, no section switching, that I explained. Take your own pen. Okay, so please take your own pen. Okay, and then no question wise timer, and total 8 theta based question. Theta based question means, friends, their options will not be given. Okay, so their options will not be given, and what you will have to do is, so you will be using just a minute. So let me see why there is a problem with my pen tablet. Okay, and so theta based question means option will be not there. It is fill in the blanks will be there, right? So there will be fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks will be there, the options will not be there. So you will be getting like boxes, like this box will be there, and there you'll have to solve and fill the answer. So almost 8 theta based questions were there, out of what? So out of, so we have 14 questions here, right? Okay, and then we have here 20 and 20 questions. So 20 plus 14, so almost around 34 questions. You will be, there was 8 theta based questions were there. That means it was fill in the blanks, so that you had to solve it, right? Okay, so fill in the blanks will be there, so that you have to keep in mind. Now friends, so if you go back here, right, so what, that is what I was telling. So here you will be able to practice TCS 2024 aptitude and reasoning questions are there, right? And friends, see, many of the people, they would not have done, right? So all the latest type of question. So you will be having paper folding questions, right? You will be having installment based questions. So here you can see, so already in live classes we are doing, but here also you can see compound interest, installment based problems, right? Because in the exam all these questions were asked, so we are doing in very much detail, so you will not be having any problem. Now friends, if you're really serious about cracking TCS, and if you want to be part of, like, see, already I said you in 2024 we have given 5,000 plus results, and that is because the quality of the course, right? So you might have seen already YouTube videos, so the quality of YouTube videos, in the similar way, right, in the similar fashion, same teacher are also putting effort in the courses. Okay, so here you can see TCS NQT crash course. So we have already covered each and everything which is required for you, and we are going to test series. So we had also launched our test series and all those things, right? So test series 2024. So here also you can see TCS NQT test series, live mock test. So all those things we had already done, and we are going to add more and more content. So if you want to part of the TCS NQT selection 2025, get this as soon as possible. Next, friends, aptitude. So what are the topics are important? Okay, so friends, simplification is very, very important, and there are a lot and different type of questions which will be asked from simplification. Percentage, so percentage, there will be 2 questions. Okay, percentage, 2 questions will be asked. See, it is not fixed. Actually, what had happened in 2024, so for many students, suppose if the question is from time and work, then for him there was no question from pipe and systems, or for him there was no question from mensuration. So every shift will have, see, all these topics will be there. So if you ask me, sir, which is the important topic, I will say at least whatever I have mentioned, that you read. Simplification 2 to 3 questions, percentage 2 questions, average 2 questions were there, time and work 1 question, pipe and system 1 question, simple and compound interest 2 question, profit and loss 2 question, mensuration 1 to 2 question, quadratic equation 1 to 2 question, time, speed, distance, boats and stream 2 to 3 questions, edges 1 question, number system 2 questions, data interpretation 2 to 3 questions. So these are the important topics first you have to learn, and then only you can switch to other topics like statistics. Statistics also questions were there. So whatever I have not listed, it doesn't mean questions were not there, but this becomes the important topic for your exam. Profit and loss, more questions were there, percentage, more questions were there, right? So that way you have to understand it. Okay, all right. So friends, now if you are planning, right, so if you are planning for, right, so how to prepare in this 25 days, so what you have to do, friends, daily you pick one topic, right? So like simplification, you pick one topic, finish it, right? Percentage, so from aptitude you pick one topic, percentage you pick pick next day, average you pick next day, time and work you pick next day, pipe and systems pick next day, time. And so like this, one day you plan, you have enough time, you can easily plan for it, right? So once you are able to do, see, almost 13 topics are there, say another 3-4 more topics, so you will be taking 15-16 days. Okay, right? So one topic from aptitude, one topic from reasoning. So reasoning, coding and decoding, 2 questions were there. Image rotation, 2 questions were there. Paper folding, 2 questions were there. Syllogism, 2 questions were there. Blood relation, 2 questions. Direction test, 2 questions. Sitting arrangement, 4 to 5 questions. Decision making, 2 to 3 questions. Data sufficiency, 2 questions. So again, you have to go through all these topics, right? So one topic from reasoning, you complete it. And then verbal ability, more questions were from comprehension, error detection, sentence rearrangement, fill up the blanks and replace the words. So once you are done, every day one topic. So verbal ability and reasoning you will be easily able to finish, right, in let's suppose 10 days, right? And aptitude you will be taking little more time. Okay, and coding also, friends, parallelly you can start, right? So for TCS NQT 2024, the DSA topic, see, these are your DSA topic like arrays, linked list, stack and queues, okay, searching and sorting, binary search, dynamic programming, recursion and backtracking, trees, graph, heaps, okay, and tries and bit manipulation, right? So friend, these were the topics, right, which are very important for your DSA point of view. But if we'll talk about a TCS NQT point of view, so TCS NQT 2024 DSA topic, if we'll talk with respect to this, okay, then friends, we had, right? So then friends, we had only 6 topics which are very important and you need to reach first, like arrays, linear search, bit manipulation, okay, dynamic programming, linked list, stack. So these were the topic which were very important, and all the questions were asked from this only, right? And we are also going to see in this video, we are going to cover, that means already the video is ready and that is going to be published on YouTube tomorrow. So how to take tricky user input with example TCS NQT pattern, one previous year coding question from TCS NQT. We will be telling you all the methods like brute force, optimized method. So all those things we are going to do, right? So this is how you make a plan. And friends, we will make your plan successful, right? So with the TCS NQT crash course. So once again, I'm telling you, friends, so this course is definitely going to help you. See, I don't need to tell you more. If you'll go to our community sections, right? So there also you will be able to see, right? So if you go for the results and all, so Rupesh is also selected for TCS, okay? And then you see, so selected for TCS Digital, okay, and then you come down, selected for TCS Prime, then you come down, selected for TCS Digital, right? And then you come down, selected in TCS, okay, selected for TCS Digital, okay. So you know that will never end, Amrit, right? Selected for, so I have put only few, okay, selected in TCS, selected in Prime, okay, selected in TCS, selected in Digital, selected in Digital 7 LPA, okay, again come down, selected in Digital 7 LPA, Digital 7 LPA, Digital 7 LPA, again you come down, selected in Digital 7 LPA, again you come down, selected in TCS Prime 9 LPA. So results will come only when we put the effort. Either, see, first we have to put effort and then you have to put effort, right? Both effort we will put together, and that you will be already able to see in the courses. And this time we are definitely going to make it more. So 5,000 plus selection in 2024, and this year we are targeting 10,000 plus selections in 2025. Okay, so TCS NQT 2024 solutions also we are covering topic wise practice. Okay, so friends, one more thing which we have included now, so we are going to provide you topic wise, so whatever like problem on percentage, average, ratio, proportion, speed, time and distance, so that you do not have to go at some other platform for practicing, right? So all those things now available on online study for you. So please understand this video in very much detail, and this will give you a lot of idea. See you soon in TCS NQT crash course, okay, where I will be taking classes for you all.